Is a beautiful and serene valley located in the northern regions of Pakistan. It is known for its breathtaking scenery and diverse cultural heritage. In this documentary, we will explore the beauty of the Makuli Valley. Located in Yasin, and uncover the secrets behind its breathtaking scenery. We will start by taking a closer look at the geography and climate of the Makuli Valley. The valley is situated at an altitude of 6,000 meters and is surrounded by majestic snow-capped peaks. It is also known for its lush green forests and pristine streams. Which provide a perfect habitat for a wide range of wildlife. We will delve into the rich cultural heritage of the Makuli Valley. The valley is home to a diverse population of people, including the Wakhi, Shina, and Burosho communities. We will explore the unique customs and traditions of these communities and how they have helped preserve the valley's cultural heritage. The Makuli Valley is a popular destination for adventure and tourism. From trekking and mountaineering to camping and fishing, there is something for everyone in this breathtaking valley. We will take a closer look at the various activities that are available in the valley, and why it is such a popular destination for tourists and adventure enthusiasts. The Makuli Valley in Yasin is a hidden gem that is waiting to be discovered. With its breathtaking scenery, rich cultural heritage, and diverse range of activities, It is no wonder why this valley has become one of the most sought-after destinations in the northern regions of Pakistan. We hope that this documentary will inspire you to visit the Makuli Valley and discover the beauty of Yasin for yourself.